Good morning. It is, dang, what's today? It is Thursday, December the 5th, and today is a really exciting day for me and my husband. We are going to see our baby. We are going to do a 4D ultrasound. So I thought I'd do a little quick get ready with me to show you how I'm gonna be looking for the day. Just got out the shower, so I just washed my face. So my face is pretty dry right now. After I scrub my face with my brush, I go over it a little bit with my wipes because the main problem I have, my breakouts are the chin and the nose. But yeah, I wanted to do a quick little get ready with me today. I'm gonna be wearing, why are you flushing the toilet? It's not a game to flush the toilet, baby. So we are actually gonna be heading out. So we kinda are on good timing. I always make us late with doing my makeup or whatever if I choose to wear makeup that day. So I'm trying to hurry up before he gets back from the gym. I'm trying to be ready when he comes so that he can be like really surprised that I'm already ready. I'm gonna brush my hair back first and moisturize it and go ahead and put my cap on because I'm actually gonna be wearing my unit that I custom made. I already been made it, just wear it. And this hair is actually almost 2 years old, so had to refreshen it up. I'm gonna be wearing that today. As you can see, I love blue. Blue is my favorite color, especially like navy blue. Like any type of blue is like my favorite. Yeah, I love that color. Most likely some blue today, of course, because we're going to see our son. And I'm just so freaking excited. Oh my God, I'm ready to get this day started. So with my braids, I moisturize with some oil. Today I'm gonna be using my tea tree oil, and then I moisturize with this Cantu. I love this stuff. Even if I got braids literally in my head, I just rub this together in my hands and I just rub it down my braids, keep them soft. Dang, my husband, he made it before I got finished with my makeup.
You what?
I was trying to hurry up and do my makeup before you came, because you always be saying I be taking forever. I was trying to be ready like before you.
Yeah, that's how we
So now we about to be in competition and see who get ready faster. I'm taking
a bath.
I am gonna be done before you, sir. Thank you, sir. Let me hurry up, cause now it's a race. I'm gonna put my oil. I think this is the one. I don't remember it being that dark. So I put some oil on my braids, moisturize them. Cause like I said, I take care of my bleach blonde, honey. And I don't know about y'all, but if I bleach my hair, I take care of it. I don't want to be dealing with a whole bunch of breakage. Child oil getting on my shoulder. Starting to get hot. Usually when I start moving too fast, my armpits start to sweat. Got my moisture. And I just put my braids in a little bun. I'm not gonna be laying this wig. I actually have me a glueless wig. All I gotta do is just put it on and put it in place. That is what you call a glueless wig, honey. And that's what I'm wearing today. So I don't have to do like a quick little install. Okay, first thing I like to do when I do my makeup is my brow. Because your girl ain't got no brows. Oh my God. Mainly when I'm pregnant, this always happens. Seem like they freaking disappear, which is weird to me. I'm not really sure why it does that. I think it's because my face just gets so fat. I'm almost 8 months pregnant, so I don't know if the fatness in my face just swells. I don't know, it just does. Then next thing you know, I just don't have any eyebrows. One time his mom was like, "Oh, what happened to your eyebrow?" I was like, "I didn't do anything. I'm just, I guess, gaining weight." Yeah, so, but whatever. It's life. Be back to my normal self when I had this baby though. Makeup bag. The handy dandy. This pencil is not sharp enough. I like my pencil to be super sharp. Pencil color that I use is black, like jet black. Hair naturally grows jet black. I use the dark brown sometimes, it depends, but barely. Oh, that's so much better. Your girl is hot. Ooh, jeez. It's this sweater. It's chilly this week in Florida. We're having a little cold front. Enjoying that because we don't get that, honey. Where is my concealer? Bro, I literally just had my concealer. My husband is going to finish before me. I'm so mad. This concealer was sitting right in my face. Like right here. Let me hurry up. The concealer I like to use is the NYX concealer in the color Orange CJ13. I already started putting on my foundation. Somebody had called me and I forgot to start back recording, so I halfway got my foundation basically already on. And I was talking to you guys and I don't remember what the hell I was saying. Oh, I was saying how, is there a certain way to put on the foundation? Because I had put it on a certain way, which it didn't record, but I just do it a certain way. I'll do it in another Get Ready With Me and then you'll see how I did it. But I don't know if there's like a right or wrong way. And then I also was trying to say, I'm gonna go get me some Fenty foundation. I got this to see what my shade is, but it doesn't have the other shades. It only has like a couple in there. So I have to go there to see what my shade is because I'm gonna try out some Fenty because I'm not really messing with this one like that. And it is the MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. And this is the color NC50. This one, actually, we only got it because my husband has a face tattoo and his job, he had to cover it. So that matches him perfectly. But my husband is a little bit lighter than me. So I kind of feel like it doesn't match. I don't really know. Or maybe I'm just being a little too extra. I don't know. Or I just don't like the thing like that because I don't know. I don't really like it. Revlon Airbrush that. I don't really like it as much as I like that one. That one was my favorite. Oh my god, my husband is going to finish before me. What color I want to wear today because I don't really know even how to do the eyeshadow thing, but I'm going to choose the Hung and it's in like a lavender shade. Looks like this. Since I got on my gold jewelry, I think I'll go ahead and put the Malloy, where it is, on there. No, you ready? All I need is my wig. Oh my gosh. He be running around, that's why. He be running, like, I be hearing footsteps up there, like this man running fast, trying to get ready to beat me. You wanna race me, bruh. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of that. And one thing about it, I don't even be knowing how to like add this stuff. I just do it. I don't know the ins and outs, like the order it's supposed to go, but I just do it like however I feel it looks. I just go with that. And this is the Cornflower Bluette. So is that why you're supposed to do your eyeshadow first? Don't know. I am using my Fenty Beauty, of course, highlight palette. I'm going to be using the Honey Slope. That's this one. Honey Slope, I go over top of it with this Stone Coat. Oh, I wish I had took that lip skin off. My top lip, I'm going in with the Honey Slope. And can't reach the lip skin, whatever. Oh my gosh, I have sweated out my shirt and I gotta cool off. Okay, so now I'm about to put on my wig. I had one of those little 70s little, what is it, 40 little fake long cigarette sticks. Put my wig on and it's bouncing like this. Okay, I'm not gonna comb out the curls because that's for the video. But this is the ending result. Vintage curls. So I'm all done. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like my finished look. I would show my outfit, but I'm gonna just show it off later because right now we have to go. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you in another one.